Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this colorful look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I love the combination of the bright pink color and the yellow glitter shade. Now if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. First I'm taking the color Monte Carlo on a Sigma E35 brush and I'm blending it into my crease. I'm starting at the outer corner and then I'm bringing the color towards the inner part of my eye. Then I'm taking the color Bahamas, it's the bright pink neon color, on the Morphe M433 brush and I'm blending it into my crease. I'm again starting to pack the color onto my outer corner and then I'm blending towards my inner corner. Now I'm taking the Sigma E58 brush with the color Inheritance, it's this bright yellow glitter shade, and I'm applying it to the inner part of my mobile lid. Then I'm taking the color Palermo on the same brush and I'm applying it to the outer part of my mobile lid. Make sure that you blend these two colors together so that you don't see a harsh line between them. Then I'm taking my Morphe 433 brush with the color Monte Carlo on it and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking the color Palermo on the Morphe E36 brush, it's a small pencil brush, and I'm applying the color to my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm gently buffing over the edges. Now I'm taking the color Sales on a Morphe M213 brush to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Now I'm taking a black eye pencil and I'm applying it to my lower waterline and I'm smudging it through my lashes. Now I'm taking the color Can on a small pencil brush, it's the Sigma E30, and I'm smudging it over the black color. Now I'm applying a winged eyeliner to my upper lash line. Now I'm applying some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you liked watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below. Let me know what tutorials you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.